Hello, my name is Akash Raj Singh. I'm from JP University of Engineering and Technology and I'm pursuing from mechanical branch. At present, I have been placed in Adani Wilmar, Cognizant Groups and Zero EduTech. Here, my experience in extracurricular activities has been quite blossomful. For example, I have been in the organizing committee of TEDx. Also, I have participated in various organizations and the meetings and the clubs that are being conducted by this particular university. For example, Mock United Nations and youth parliaments. Apart from this, I have participated in various debates and won them too. Apart from these extracurricular activities, I would also like to jump onto the technical aspect of our university. For example, the robotics lab in our university is quite unparalleled. There is no other university or institution which has these facilities that we have. Also, apart from this, the kind of faculty that we have and the kind of services that we are provided in this institution is quite unparalleled. So I would recommend my juniors, my colleagues and my all friends to please visit this college and look by yourself for the opportunities that you are provided with. That is all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kirti from JUET Guna. I've completed my BTech from Mechanical Engineering, a 1721 batch. I've placed in Cognizant Technology Solutions, and talking about mechanical engineering, this is one of the best branch of JUET Guna, which provides us the knowledge of various structures, like they are providing us knowledge of various fields like Python, C++, like various knowledges, and yeah, mechanical engineering, obviously, like they are providing us various machines. They are giving a hands-on knowledge on everything. So this is one of the best university. If you are going for a private university, you can go for it. Thank you.
My name is Shivam Trivedi. I am from Panna, Madhya Pradesh. My currently passing year is 1721 and I am from mechanical branch, currently placed in JP group, and actually our department is having a very great support, and we are having a specialization in automobile, CAD and 3D printing and many more, and our faculty members is also very supportive. We are having a very great campus. So if you have any doubt, please, I request, so you have to survey it. And for the department, I would say that if you have any doubt regarding the department, that if you have any doubt regarding the mechanical branch, so I would request you to survey the department, and I will ensure that you will like the department. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aman Nayak. I am from mechanical branch. My year of passing is I'm from batch 2017 to 2021, and currently I am working in Lead Squared. It is a marketing, automation and sales execution company. And about the college, the faculty are very supporting, the environment is very much good, so everything's good.
Hi everyone, this is Sunny Yadav from Madhya district, Bihar. Currently I am placed in Infosys Limited, and my academic year is 2017 to 2021. I've done here in JP University in mechanical department, and here the lab facilities are 24/7, and every faculties and staff members are really good, and doubt solving every time 24/7 you can consult them. And apart from this, there are many technical societies and cultural societies, that is JYC, and technical societies. In mechanical we have SAE, that is the Society of Automotive Engineers, and a collegiate club, that is the Mechanical Engineering Society, and etc. etc. Thanks.